Okay. Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, sir. And
Thank
I want to know about you. Where are you calling from? Would you
uh,
introduce yourself, please, sir?
yes. My name is Ashok Kumar. I am from Bhilwara district, Rajasthan. And if you talk about my qualification, I have done graduation. And if you talk about my hobby, nowadays is my hobby learning this language as well as reading books and novels, etc. Because last 15 days I am suffering for fevers. That's I putting this muffler and uh, uh, that's all about me.
Okay. Is it okay to wear this muffler or you want to remove that?
Yes, because I am in the open area, that's why they need of this muffler, and there is some air of.
Okay. I think Rajasthan is full of hot. I heard about it. But is it cold or hot from your side?
Now is a more weather is normal, but due to my fever, I am putting this muffler.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. And how long have you been using this app? And I want to know about your English language journey. Tell me something about that.
Yes, I joined this app 6 months ago, but that time I'm not consistent because of some hectic schedule, because of some responsibility. But last, you can say 1.5 months, I consistently connect. You can say daily basis people. But last 15 days, I'm not connect any person because of some fever and cold cough. That's why today I connect you.
Okay, okay. Are you working professional and what do you do?
Yes, I am working. Last year I joined a school private, and now I am teaching in private school as a teacher in Hindi medium school.
Okay, okay. Okay, you are a teacher. Okay, sir. Good to know about you.
Yes, please tell me something about you.
Sure, sir. I'll introduce myself. I'm Chitra. I was born and brought up in Pondicherry, but I'm currently living in Kolkata. I have been living here for the past 5 years. I have completed masters in management. I worked in corporate sector. As for my hobbies, it changes day by day. Nowadays, I love to learn languages, especially Hindi and Bengali. I'm so passionate about English language, and also I love interacting with people. That's all about me, sir.
Yes, are you belong Mangal?
No, no. Basically, I'm from Pondicherry, which is in south part of India, but I'm
Yes.
currently living in Kolkata.
Okay, Kolkata is the capital city of the West Bengal.
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Okay. Are you working in that palace and this palace and in
Yes, sir. I worked in some corporate sector, but now I quit everything because of my families. So now I don't have any work at my home. So now I am in my home only.
okay, thank you, ma'am. If you talk about my journey, ma'am, I want to learn this language since my childhood, but that time I not get opportunity like you can. I can say environment. But nowadays is many opportunity provide this like CV application and Skype and many other platform like YouTube and social media, and they provide good opportunity to learn this language, and that's why I want to learn this language and enhance my knowledge and communication skills. And earlier I mentioned I connect every day the last 1.5 months. That's all.
Okay, sir. What kind of subject do you teach in your school?
I teach in a Hindi medium school a English subject.
Okay, Hindi medium school. You are taking English subject.
Yes.
Okay, okay, sir. What about your qualification? May I know that? You already mentioned.
Yes, yes, graduate.
Okay.
Please tell me some your story. You all belong a south part states, and you are living in the north part, and you I can say western part of India. And what is the different culture and what is the experience? Your please tell me something.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir. Basically, I'm from south part of India. We
Yes,
follow a lot of cultures and tradition. And
yes,
now I'm in Kolkata. It's totally changed because here a lot of the new things I face on different basis. And I struggle a lot because of my language because I'm new to this language, especially Hindi and Bengali. But I'm
yes,
learning these two languages. Apart from this, I can say West Bengal is the best place, and the
yes,
Bengali is the sweetest language also. Here,
yes,
I must say, sweet is very famous, especially milk kind of sweets. Is very famous in Kolkata,
yes,
and I would say many things is good here. Some things are bad also here, but
yes,
here the school timings is totally different because south part of time, school time from morning 8:30 to 4:30, school
yes,
time. But here schools having two shift from morning shift. 7 to 11:30 is the morning shift, and afternoon shift 11:30 to 2:30 to 3. So this is the school timing. So I don't like this kind of school timing, especially because I do not think, because most of the time at least 3 to 4 hours what they will teach to kids, I don't know. And this is so I'm scared about that. And the next one is smoking. Even drunk drinks is so very famous here because there is no restrictions, especially in Kolkata. So these
yes.
are the things I'm so thinking, something scared. I'm so fascinating about this culture, traditions, especially in Kolkata. That's what I believe, and I'm thinking also.
Okay, nice. Have you visited in Rajasthan?
No, no, sir. I have never visited Rajasthan, but I wish I want to visit one time. But
Yes,
I
yes,
heard about Rajasthan is full of, hot camels,
yes,
many villages also. Is it right?
yes, yes, yes. I also belong a village area, but nowadays I am living in a urban area because of the livelihood, and
Mm.
there are many historical palaces. Like I also belong a Mewar region. Mewar region is, and have you heard about Maharana Pratap?
No, no, sir. What is that?
Maharana Pratap.
What is that? I don't know.
Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap is the ancient ruler of the Mewar region, and he
Oh,
was a brave leader of the ancient Mewar region. And Bhilwara is located in the Mewar region. Chittorgarh, Udaipur, also famous for the Udaipur is famous for the lake city, and there are many lakes and many historical palaces and many different kind of culture in Rajasthan.
okay.
Rajasthan is basically famous for the forts. There are many forts.
Okay. And what kind of food you usually take? Chapatis or rice? Which one do you prefer?
In my area, chapati and dal bati. Dal bati is the famous food of the Rajasthan. Rich food, you can say.
Okay. Okay, do you take chapatis for breakfast, lunch, even dinner also? Is it right?
I'm only take chapati, breakfast and lunch and dinner.
Oh, you don't eat rice. Mostly
Yes, yes.
Rajasthanis don't eat rice,
No,
right?
less than. You can say less than. Basically, rice is mostly used West Bengal, Odisha, and
Yeah.
Bihar and Tamil Nadu. But Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh people are not using rice.
Okay, okay.
They
We
are
always prefer rotis.
yes, 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 chapati. Like
Okay.
winter days, maize chapati. Makka roti is called.
Okay, okay. This is my
And
first time hearing.
yes, and basically earlier people are using the wheat chapati in the occasionally. In my family, mostly earlier when I was child, that time my mother also using occasionally wheat roti. You can wheat
Okay,
chapati because of
okay,
also belong a poor family and that time not rich like wheat. That's sometime so my mother also making uh, wheat chapati only. Some days, a few days only uh, maize roti like makka roti called is Rajasthani makka is very
okay, okay,
famous,
sir.
very famous food.
Okay, okay. Good to know about Rajasthan. Do you
Yes.
see camel on regular basis?
Camel is a many camel in Rajasthan, and when I was a child, that time I used to went my village, my field, and many
Okay.
camel they uh, come. My they came shepherd with shepherd like 20 25 and hundreds camel with shepherds and they grazing in my fields and one you can say one tank one time he finished.
Hmm.
They came and one tank finished almost 90%.
Okay, okay. Good, good. And how long do you spend for learning English in a day?
Yes, earlier I only read newspaper, but last as earlier I mentioned, 1.5 months I talking through the Skype conversation video. But I also upload earlier video, solo video like a newspaper through the newspaper explain in Hindi, news explain in Hindi and some grammar rules and some vocabulary etc.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
Have
West
you ever
Bengal.
visited?
Yes,
Have you ever visited Kolkata? Have you ever
not,
visited
I
Kolkata?
have not visited Kolkata and I only visit my states only. And my states happens for the pink city, Jaipur.
Hmm.
Jaipur is the capital.
Jaipur.
Jaipur is
Yeah.
the capital city of the Rajasthan and Amer Fort and Jal Mahal and Hawa Mahal and Jantar Mantar. That is the
Have you visited Jaipur? Have you visited Jaipur?
yes, yes, yes. I many time visited Jaipur and I spent many uh, days in Jaipur. You can say 1.5 year I spent in Jaipur.
Okay. Then what is the
Jaipur.
meaning? Why, Jaipur called the Pink City?
Yes,
Any
yes.
reason behind it? Do you know
Uh,
about that?
I think one reason when Prince Prince came here in Jaipur that time king of the Jaipur he colored the all city pink. That is the called pink city. And
Okay.
for welcoming his and that's colored the all city. That is that times called a pink city. And
Okay, I understand. So you are saying most of the Jaipur, buildings are in pink color, right?
yes, 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 yes.
So that's why it is called Pink City.
Yes, when Prince, I think I'm not remembering this time, not recalling who was come from the Britain. That time, first time, Jaipur's king was colored the pink, and that time using the pink city, called a pink city.
Okay.
Start a
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. This is the first time I'm hearing many news from you about
Yes.
Rajasthan.
I also read in some books and some newspaper. That's why I am telling you.
I also read many things, but you are visited, no, that place, so you have a lot of things to know about that.
Yes, yes. Jaipur is a very famous city and very good city. I can say, and very beautiful city. And there is a big market, Tripolia market, Choda Rasta, and Jaipur is a very well mannered built city.
Okay, okay. Do
Vidya,
you tell me, any two to three favorite places in Rajasthan?
my favorite place is Chittorgarh. Chittorgarh is nearby from my area, my place to 60 kilometers. But I am not visited Chittorgarh fort. But Chittorgarh fort is a very famous fort.
Fort. Okay.
Yes, yes. Mira Mahal in located in Chittorgarh fort and Vijay Stambh, Kirti Stambh, and Kumbhalgarh fort and Jaipur fort and Udaipur Lake City and
Mm-hmm.
Jodhpur Mehrangarh fort.
Okay. I think Rajasthan full of fort
Yes,
because you
yes,
are
yes,
saying many different kinds of fort. I think so.
yes, yes, yes,
Okay, sir. Many things I know about Rajasthan. So if
yes,
I want to come once, definitely I will visit everything. It was a nice
yes,
experience with you.
yes, yes. My city is called a textile city, Manchester of the Rajasthan, and there
Mm.
are many textile mills and many factories. Many people are work in this my city and from
Okay,
Bihar
okay,
and
sir.
Odisha.
Okay. Okay, sir. Do you have any question or let's wind up this session?
Yes. Which type of strategy you learn this language? Who are beginner? Please tell me. Who want to learn this language for beginners?
Okay, sir. When I started my English journey, when I was in my college, before when I entered my college, before I didn't know anything about English. But
Yes.
later I joined in MBA. I faced many struggles, hurdles. I found some techniques for me. I learned English by myself. Because of lot of techniques and tricks because of when we faced many humiliations in front of others, we have to make it in a good way. And also English is just a subject, and many
Yes.
of them thinking we have to learn start with grammar, punctuations, pronunciation. So don't confuse anything. We have to speak in front of others. That is the first thing. So
Yes.
whatever it is in your mind, you have to speak in front of others. Then you have to collect some knowledge related to many topics. You have
Yes.
to
Yes.
search it on Google. You can find at least thousands of topics you have to speak in front of others. Each and every day you have to pick any one topic and you have to speak in front of mirror, or you have to record it by yourself. Then you have to find it you in a better way. You have to
Yes.
continuously you will do within 30 days. You will see your English is to the next level. Like your fluency will improve, your pronunciation will improve, everything. But the one thing I must say, you have to do it on regular basis, full of consistency and discipline. That is the only way you have to improve your communication skills. And don't want to think others, what they will think about us, what they will judge us. Don't think about others. You have to
Yes.
speak in front of others. That is the only thing. And I must say 6 months is enough. You have to put all your effort to speak in front of others. You collect many knowledge, and you have to read many things from Google, and you buy some books. You have to read it on regular basis. But you have to listen at least 30 minutes in a day.
Yes. Yes.
Definitely, it works for you because you learn many new words, sentences, even style, everything. So this is the only way. Only one technique, only one tip you have to speak. That is the only one thing on regular basis. So that's what I did. So that's what I'm telling you. You have to do it on regular basis. You will get good fluency within a period of time. I think so, sir. I believe on that.
Okay, okay, ma'am. You tell each and everything in very detailed manner and very nice manner. I would like say you
Thank you,
good
sir.
and thank you for uh, giving this tips and tricks for beginners and for me. I also follow this type of strategy to enhance myself. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. We definitely connect in future, and we will talk in specific topic.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.